Tomahawk steak. Let's get it. Look at this beautiful cut of meat. 2.5 inches thick, great marbling, nearly 3 pounds, about 1.4 kilograms for those folks across the pond. Alright, we're gonna season this hunk of meat with a simple blend of salt and coarse black pepper and let it rest for about an hour to reach room temperature. After an hour, we can toss it onto our already lit grill on the opposite side of the coals to smoke without burning. We're gonna let it bake on the grill for about 30-45 minutes. While that's working, let's prep our potatoes and asparagus. Potatoes we can cut into quarters and toss to a pot of cool water and toss it onto the stove to get it boiling. For our asparagus, we start by cutting the dense bottom portions off, then blanching them in a salted boiling water for about 90 seconds. Pull them out and toss them into some ice water to cool them quickly. Now we can wrap these guys in some applewood smoked bacon, season them with a little smoked hickory salt and cracked black pepper seasoning, and toss them onto the grill above our tomahawk. While our grill items cook, we can finish up our potatoes. We'll start by tossing our perfectly cooked red potatoes into a stand mixer bowl and pre-whip them a little bit. Add about 3/4 cup of heavy cream and a stick of butter. Whip it until it's smooth. Now let's add an entire block of smoked Gouda cheese that we shredded, because America. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Back out on the grill, we can move our tomahawk and asparagus onto direct heat to get those beautiful grill marks. Oh yeah, look at that. Eat your heart out, vegans. It's only appropriate we serve this slab of meat on a slab of our own. Toss on the smoked Gouda red mashed potatoes, couple knives, some of our grilled bacon wrapped asparagus, our tomahawk steak, and some homemade garlic bread, because why not? If you like what you see, remember to like and subscribe. If there's anything you'd like me to make, comment down below. And don't plan on dessert after this one, folks, and I will see you in the next one.